Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up Mozilla Thunderbird emails in 2026. Creating a backup can help protect your messages, account information, and other important Thunderbird data, so let's get started. First, close Mozilla Thunderbird before creating a full profile backup. This helps ensure that all current data is safely included in the backup. Next, locate your Thunderbird profile folder on your computer. This folder contains important information such as your email messages, account settings, address books, and other application data. You can copy the entire Thunderbird profile folder and save it to another location, such as an external drive or a secure cloud storage folder. Before copying the data, make sure you have enough available storage space. Large email accounts can create a sizable profile folder, especially if you keep many messages stored locally. Once the profile has been copied successfully, you have a backup of your Thunderbird data. It's a good idea to keep the backup in a separate location from your main computer. You can also create regular backups to make sure your latest emails and settings are protected. This is especially useful before moving to a new computer or making major changes. And that's how to back up Mozilla Thunderbird emails. A complete profile backup can make it much easier to recover your email data when needed. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.